Welcome back to my channel. Shopify SEO Guide for Beginners. Search engine optimization SEO is essential for any e-commerce store, including those on Shopify. A well-optimized Shopify store can drive organic traffic, enhance user experience, and ultimately increase sales. This guide will walk you through the fundamental aspects of Shopify SEO, from setting up your store to advanced optimization techniques. 1. Introduction to SEO. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It refers to the process of improving the visibility of a website in search engine results pages SERPs for relevant keywords. The higher a website ranks, the more likely it is to receive traffic. Why SEO is important for Shopify stores. For Shopify store owners, SEO is crucial because it helps increase organic traffic, reduce the reliance on paid advertising, build brand credibility and trust, improve user experience, boost sales and conversions. 2. Initial store setup. Choosing a SEO-friendly theme. Select a Shopify theme that is responsive, fast, and cleanly coded. Popular SEO-friendly themes include Turbo, Retina, Debut Free. Mobile optimization. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Test your store's mobile performance using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. 3. Keyword research. Understanding keywords. Keywords are the terms potential customers use to search for products. Identifying the right keywords is the foundation of effective SEO. Tools for keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest to find keywords relevant to your products. Types of keywords. Short tail keywords, general terms with high search volume but also high competition, for example, shoes. Long tail keywords, more specific terms with lower search volume but higher conversion rates, for example, women's running shoes. 4. On-page SEO. Title tags. Title tags should be unique, include primary keywords, and be under 60 characters. Format. Primary keyword. Secondary keyword. Brand name. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions should be compelling, include keywords, and be under 160 characters. They do not directly impact rankings, but influence click-through rates. URL structure. Keep URLs clean, readable, and keyword-rich. Avoid unnecessary parameters and numbers. Example: www.yourstore.com/products/.womens-running-shoes. Headers H1, H2, H3, etc. Use headers to structure your content. The H1 tag should contain the primary keyword and be used once per page. Use H2 and H3 tags for subheadings. Image optimization. Alt text. Describe the image and include relevant keywords. File names. Name image files descriptively and include keywords. File size. Compress images to improve load times. Product descriptions. Write unique, keyword-rich product descriptions. Avoid duplicate content and provide detailed information about the product. Internal linking. Link related products and pages to each other to improve navigation and distribute page authority. 5. Technical SEO. Sitemap. Submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Shopify automatically generates a sitemap at www.yourstore.com/sitemap.xml. Robots. TXT. Review and customize your robots. TXT File to ensure search engines can crawl important pages. Structured data. Implement structured data schema markup to enhance search engine understanding of your content. Use tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper. Site speed. Improve your site speed by compressing images using a fast and reliable hosting provider, minimizing the use of heavy scripts and apps, leveraging browser caching. HTTPS. Ensure your store uses HTTPS for security and to build trust with users. 6. Content marketing. Blogging. Start a blog on your Shopify store to attract organic traffic. Write informative, keyword-rich posts related to your niche. Content ideas. How-to guides. Product comparisons. Industry news. User-generated content. Content frequency. Consistently publish high-quality content. Aim for at least one post per week. 7. Off-page SEO. Backlinks. Acquire high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. Focus on guest blogging, influencer collaborations, industry directories. Social media. Promote your content on social media platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic. Reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews can enhance your store's credibility and rankings. 8. Local SEO. Google My Business. Create and optimize a Google My Business listing if you have a physical store. Local keywords. Incorporate local keywords into your content and meta tags, for example, best shoe store in New York. Local citations. Ensure your store's name, address, and phone number NAP are consistent across all local directories. 9. Analytics and monitoring. Google Analytics. Set up Google Analytics to track traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Google Search Console. Use Google Search Console to monitor your site's performance, fix errors, and understand your search traffic. Regular audits. Conduct regular SEO audits to identify and fix issues. Tools like Screaming Frog and RFs can help with this. 10. Advanced Shopify SEO tips. Canonical tags. Use canonical tags to prevent duplicate content issues. Shopify automatically adds canonical tags, but you can customize them if needed. 301 redirects. Set up 301 redirects for any removed or changed URLs to preserve link equity and user experience. Multilingual SEO. If you have a multilingual store, use hreflang tags to indicate language and regional targeting. Conclusion. SEO is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and monitoring. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can optimize your Shopify store for search engines, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately increase your sales. Remember to stay updated with the latest SEO trends and algorithm changes to maintain your competitive edge. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of Shopify SEO for beginners. As you become more comfortable with these techniques, you can delve deeper into advanced strategies and continuously refine your approach to achieve the best results. Thanks for watching.